Welcome to James Hart. As one of the country's leading commercial vehicle specialists, we've been servicing the truck trade for well over 90 years from our 4-acre site in Chorley, Lancashire. Our long-serving, experienced staff service customers across the whole of the UK and internationally, providing used truck sales, part sales and a comprehensive range of quality repair and service facilities. In our used truck sales department, we provide only the highest quality trucks, fully checked and approved to rigorous industry standards. Our truck range spans vehicles from 7.5 tonnes right across the whole weight range. We supply all makes of truck, all held on site for immediate viewing and availability. The James Hart Parts Department holds the largest stock of new and recycled DAF parts in the UK, all for sale at very competitive prices, immediately available off the shelf and ready for rapid dispatch. Our delivery vans can deliver same day for local customers, with overnight courier covering the rest of the UK. Fast, reliable parts delivery when and where you need it. You can rely on James Hart to deliver your parts on time. James Hart's workshop facilities are second to none. With a total of 9 preparation bays on site, we provide all aspects of vehicle repair and service, so we're effectively a one-stop shop for all the services you could need. The workshop team is exceptionally knowledgeable and highly skilled, whether it's a one-off service or repair requirement to an ongoing service contract. The latest addition to the company profile is a purpose-built car and light commercial MOT and service centre. Our friendly and skilled staff offer servicing, repairs, diagnostics and MOTs for cars, vans and motorhomes, all completed in-house at competitive prices and the highest quality. Looking for electronic diagnostics? Our expert diagnostic team and our state-of-the-art equipment can provide fast detection of problems and check all vehicle systems are in optimal condition, saving on repairs and ensuring economical and environmental efficiency of your vehicle. For truck power washing and valeting, our 2-bay power wash centre is equipped with ramps, so we ensure deep cleaning of every part of your truck, giving you back a truck gleaming from top to bottom. Whatever you need from trucks, parts or service, choose James Hart to get you on the road and keep you there. Call us today on 01257 279 414